Title: The Science of Avocado Ripening. How to ripen avocados faster and naturally. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I wish all of you good health. Let's start today's video. Intro. Hook and attention grabbing opening. Did you know that an avocado continues to ripen even after being picked from the tree? Unlike most fruits, avocados don't ripen on the tree. Instead, the process begins only after they are harvested. But what really happens inside an avocado as it ripens? And how can you speed up or slow down the process naturally? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're breaking down the fascinating science of avocado ripening and sharing simple tricks to ensure you always have perfectly ripe avocados when you need them. Make sure to watch till the end. Some of these tips might surprise you. Number 1. Understanding avocado ripening. Avocados belong to a category of fruits known as climacteric fruits, just like bananas, apples, and peaches. What does that mean? Well, these fruits continue to ripen after being harvested due to the release of a natural plant hormone called ethylene. What is ethylene and how does it work? Ethylene is a colorless, odorless gas that acts as a ripening signal for fruits. It triggers chemical changes in the avocado, leading to softening of the fruit as cell walls break down. Color change from firm green to darker, softer hues. Flavor development, making the fruit creamy and rich. Oil formation, which gives avocado its famous buttery texture. The warmer the environment, the faster ethylene works. Number 2. How to tell if an avocado is ripe. So, how do you know if an avocado is ripe and ready to eat? Here are 3 simple tests. 1. The gentle press test. Place the avocado in your palm and gently squeeze it. Don't use your fingertips to avoid bruising. If it gives slightly, it's ready to eat. If it feels firm, it needs more time. If it feels mushy, it's overripe. 2. The stem test. Peel back the small stem or cap on top of the avocado. If it's green underneath, it's perfectly ripe. If it's brown, it's overripe inside. If it doesn't come off easily, it's still unripe. 3. The color test. Unripe avocados are bright green and very firm. Ripening avocados start turning darker with some softness. Fully ripe avocados have a deep, dark green or blackish skin. Number 3. How to ripen avocados faster. Want to ripen your avocados faster? Try these proven methods. The brown paper bag trick. Place your avocado in a brown paper bag with a banana or apple. These fruits release extra ethylene gas, speeding up ripening. Store it at room temperature, and check daily. The rice bowl method. Bury the avocado in uncooked rice. This traps ethylene and moisture, ripening it faster. Works within 24–48 hours. The oven method for immediate use. If you need a ripe avocado right now, wrap it in foil and place it in a 200F oven for 10–15 minutes. The heat speeds up ethylene production, softening the fruit. Number 4. How to slow down ripening. Not ready to eat your avocado yet? Here's how to pause ripening and make it last longer. Refrigeration. A ripe avocado can stay fresh for 3–5 days in the fridge. Cold temperatures slow down ethylene production. Store with lemon juice. Cut avocados brown quickly due to oxidation. Sprinkle lemon or lime juice on the cut side and cover tightly with plastic wrap. Keep the pit inside. Leaving the pit in 1/2 helps reduce oxidation and keeps the avocado fresher. Number 5. Why avocados sometimes won't ripen properly. Sometimes an avocado never seems to ripen properly. Why? Harvesting too early. If an avocado is picked too soon, it lacks the necessary oils to soften. Cold storage damage. If stored in too cold temperatures for too long before ripening, the ripening process stalls. Low ethylene response. Some avocados naturally produce less ethylene, meaning they take much longer to ripen. Always buy fresh avocados and store them correctly for the best results. Conclusion. Now that you understand the science behind avocado ripening, you'll never have to deal with rock-hard or overripe avocados again. Did you find these tips helpful? Let us know in the comments below. What's your favorite way to eat avocados? Share your recipes with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel. I'd be healthy naturally. Share this video with friends and family who love avocados. Stay healthy, eat fresh, and we'll see you in the next video. Your support is important for us to continue providing valuable content. You can also show appreciation and support for our work by clicking the join and thanks buttons below the video with a small token. Your journey to better health is a shared one, and together we can uplift each other towards wellness and a life full of movement and joy. Remember, your body is capable of remarkable healing given the chance and the right support. Treat it with care, patience, and love. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.